You're tuned in to Popular Cruising, and our review of the activities on board the Carnival Imagination from Carnival Cruise Lines. The sun-drenched ship awaits your arrival, as does the playful Carnival waterworks and water slides, including the Twister Body Slide, a relatively snappy attraction with lots of twists and turns, that features an enclosed and open section. The ship's pool deck is also perfect for water fun, with open and covered whirlpools as well. There's also a large stage and dance floor for deck parties, plus games above like oversized chess and ping pong. And there's plenty of great seating for just lounging about. Inside from the pool area is Camp Carnival, for kids from ages 2 to 11 to enjoy, and where they can make their own stuffed animal. Outside for all ages is the City Sports Park, with jogging track and miniature golf course. For more physical activity, there's the gym at Spa Carnival, as well as the pampering facilities of the salon and private massage rooms. For even more relaxation, the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat is a great getaway, with its own set of whirlpools and chase lounges. The Grand Atrium Plaza is the hub of activity on board, and where at the base you'll find the helpful guest relations and shore excursions desks, and convenient self-service kiosks. There's also an internet cafe available. The art gallery displays the pieces that are available at auction, and there's quite a variety to be purchased on board. And for all other retail therapy, the fun shops have you covered, including candies and gifts for special occasions, such as onboard wedding ceremonies and receptions. There are plenty of other opportunities to have your photos captured as well, or you can buy new gear to be behind the camera, and research the upcoming destinations at the Curiosity Library. Tweens and teens are not left out on board. 12 to 14-year-olds get Circle C all to themselves. And Club O2 is reserved exclusively for those 15 to 17. Of course, kids of all ages can enjoy the arcade as well. And for adult gaming, the Dorado Casino is ready, so place your bets. And lastly, dance your cares away at the Illusions Dance Club. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, watch our other Carnival Imagination reviews, and visit popularcruising.com.